Hello, this is Stuart with the Aerating and Thatching Company. I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today I'm in Shoreline, Washington. And I'm going to aerate, seed, and fertilize this lawn here. I'm also going to put on a wetting agent. I'm going to put on some lime and a soil amendment. Try to repair the soil here. And I'm just going to walk over this lawn here real quick. And to show you what it looks like before I start working, and shoot a second video after I'm done, and hopefully come back and do a third video with the results, after everything is germinated. And today is August 10th, okay, and it's a little early in the season, but the temperatures have been so soft, under 80 degrees. And this client can water very well and is at home. And I'm going to punch the heck out of this yard. Use a good 2014 starter fertilizer is what I'm using. One with a duration 90 slow release technology there. And then we use a 70-30 seed is what I'm going to use. A golf course quality seed. What they use on a private golf course fairway. And actually, excuse me, it's a 60-40 is what I'm using. It's a 60-40. 60% perennial ryegrass, 40% fescue is what I'm using here. And it's a beautiful grass. And the lime I'm going to put on is an enhanced lime. It's going to help with seed germination and adjusting the soil pH. We've got some evergreen trees here. I've explained to the client, no matter what you do underneath some of these big evergreen trees, you need to seed like 3 and 4 times a year, because even if it comes back beautifully, acidity for the needles is just going to kill this grass, this winter here in Western Washington. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating and Thatching Company, and hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hi, this is Stuart with the Aerating and Thatching Company, and this is the second video in a series. I've just got done aerating, seeding, and fertilizing this lawn, and then I put on some lime, a wetting agent, and 50 pounds of a soil amendment on the side of the house. And I'm just going to walk around this property here real quick and show you what I got going on. Once again, I'm in Shoreline, Washington. Today is August 10th. As you can tell, this backyard here is pretty shady, and the client had asked me about thatching, and well, yes, this lawn does have a lot of moss in it. It's got a lot of trees here, and I think no matter what happens, this yard will revert back to having a lot of moss. So I want to get some good healthy grass growing amongst the moss, amongst the happy moss, and even if it was resodded, it would revert right back to that. So I turned the client down for that part of the bid. And here's the side of the house. This is underneath evergreen trees here. And I explained to the client, no matter what happens, that this will die off during the winter. And acidity for the needles just kills lawn grass. That's the job of this evergreen tree here, is to kill your lawn. It really is, in nature. And so I put some lime out here to help with seed germination. And lime does not kill moss. That's a common misconception. But it does allow the grass to grow healthier, to help resist incoming moss and help keep the grass healthy through the winter. But still, here in Western Washington, it gets cold, and the grass stops growing, and the grass spreads by spores, all winter long, floating around in the rain. Any empty spots, we get moss growing. And once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating and Thatching Company, and thank you for watching my video. My name is Stuart, and I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. Today is September 8th, and I've just made it back to this property here to check it out and see how it's doing. Got a few leaves on the ground here, and I'm really impressed with the way this came back. The clients followed my directions, and it's worked very, very well. And this is my 60-40 grass seed that I used here. The same seed they use on a private golf course fairway. Okay, here we go here. And I'm, like I say, very, very happy with the results. Tickled pink, actually, I guess would be the saying. And I was lucky enough to be driving by, and I had this in my notes there to stop on by right around in here. So I did today. My name is Stuart Armour, and the name of my company is Aerating-Thatching Company. And I thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you. Bye-bye.